Elon Musk's Tesla is more than an electric car company. It's a symbol of American ingenuity and innovation. Since its humble beginnings as a U.S. automotive startup in 2003, Tesla has grown into one of the most valuable automakers in the world. But beneath the glossy surface of its meteoric rise lies a story of struggle, missed opportunities, and unfulfilled promises. This is the untold story of Tesla's meteoric rise and sudden decline. Tesla began its journey with modest goals. Founded by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, the company's first product, the Roadster, launched in 2008. Despite limited resources, Tesla's team of dedicated engineers and designers worked tirelessly to create electric vehicles that were not only powerful and environmentally friendly, but also appealed to the aesthetic sensibilities of car enthusiasts. Their innovative battery technologies aimed to increase energy density, power, and charging speed while decreasing cost per kilowatt hour. Through strategic partnerships with suppliers like Panasonic, Tesla was able to leverage their expertise and resources to accelerate advancements in battery technology and production. Despite facing skepticism from industry insiders who doubted the viability of electric vehicles, Tesla's team pressed on undeterred. By 2012, Tesla had secured a major breakthrough with the launch of its Model S sedan, an electric car that redefined luxury and performance. As word of mouth spread about the car's capabilities, demand began to soar. Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, once a General Motors plant that had been slated for closure, hummed back to life as thousands of eager customers lined up to take delivery of their sleek new cars. With each passing year, Tesla continued to push the boundaries of what was possible for electric vehicles. The Model X SUV followed in 2015, and the Model 3, a more affordable option for mainstream consumers, hit the market in 2017. By 2020, Tesla had become one of the most valuable automakers in the world, despite producing fewer cars than its competitors. Its success can be attributed to several factors, including government incentives, environmental regulations, and growing consumer demand for sustainable transportation options. However, Tesla's growth didn't stop at electric cars. Under Musk's leadership, the company expanded into related sectors such as solar energy with the acquisition of Solar City in 2016 and battery storage systems through its subsidiary Powerwall. But behind the scenes, cracks were beginning to show. Tesla's meteoric rise had attracted intense scrutiny from investors who demanded ever higher levels of growth and profitability. At the same time, competition in the electric vehicle market was heating up with established automakers investing heavily in developing their own electric models. Despite these challenges, Tesla continued to press forward. In 2020, the company opened a new factory in Shanghai, China, its first outside the United States. This facility allowed Tesla to tap into the massive Chinese electric vehicle market and further expand its global reach. By 2021, Tesla's workforce had grown to over 100,000 employees worldwide. However, as Tesla expanded, it faced criticism for its treatment of workers. Reports of long hours, high pressure, and unsafe working conditions at its Fremont factory raised concerns about the human cost of the company's success. Nevertheless, Tesla continued to grow rapidly. In 2021, the company's revenue topped $50 billion, and it became the first automaker to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion. But this growth came at a price. Tesla's factories are massive, sprawling facilities that require huge investments to build and operate. The company's total debt reached nearly $15 billion, making it one of the most indebted companies in the world. Furthermore, Tesla's reliance on a single factory for the majority of its production left it vulnerable to disruptions such as the COVID-19 pandemic or labor disputes. Looking ahead, Tesla faces both opportunities and challenges. The global electric vehicle market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by government regulations and consumer demand for sustainable transportation options. However, competition in the market is also intensifying, with established automakers investing heavily in developing their own electric models. Additionally, Tesla's workforce is aging, and the company will need to attract and retain top talent to continue innovating. Moreover, the company's speculative stock is highly sensitive to market sentiment, which means that even minor setbacks can cause significant share price fluctuations. For example, in early 2020, when Musk tweeted that Tesla would resume deliveries of its Model 3 sedan in China, the company's shares soared by over 13% in a single day. Furthermore, Tesla has yet to deliver on its promise of a more affordable electric car. The company's most affordable model, the Model 3 sedan, starts at around $47,000 before incentives, which puts it out of reach for many consumers. Tesla has plans to launch a more affordable model called the Model 2, but the vehicle is not expected to hit the market until at least 2023. And with an estimated price tag of $25,000, it remains to be seen whether Tesla can produce a vehicle that is both affordable and profitable. Despite these challenges, Tesla has a devoted following among investors who believe in Musk's vision for the company and the potential of electric vehicles. The company's next decade will depend on its ability to innovate, execute, and adapt to the changing demands of the market. As the electric vehicle revolution gains momentum, Tesla will need to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible if it wants to maintain its position as an industry leader. In conclusion, Tesla's journey from a small startup to a global powerhouse has been nothing short of remarkable. However, beneath the glossy surface of its meteoric rise lies a story of hard work, struggle, and unfulfilled promises. While Tesla has revolutionized the electric vehicle industry, its future remains uncertain as it grapples with production challenges, investor pressure, and competition from established automakers. Only time will tell whether Tesla can live up to its potential and deliver on its ambitious goals, or if it will fall short of the mark.